So Jay's here with another real review. I just wanted to share with you all my Pro box grater. This is made by Pro. It's a four-sided stainless steel box grater, and my wife and I use this all the time when we're cooking. We love to cook. We spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and when we need to grate something, this thing works like a champ. It's probably the best box grater I've ever owned, and what makes it great is it has these smart glide channels on it, and when you move like your cheese or your vegetables or whatever down these channels help keep it locked into place, so it makes a really nice grate on your vegetables and cheeses and whatever else you want to grate with this. It has a very fine side as well as a medium, and the cheese slicing side if you want to slice cheese, and the grating side. This is a great, like I said, it's a great box grater. It's stainless steel. It's, we throw it in the dishwasher and it's still super sharp. What I like about it too is it has this kind of box-shaped design for the cutting edges. So when you go this direction, it's not sharp at all. So it's really easy to wipe down and clean. And another feature that I found really amazing on this grater is you can see it has the cup size for what you grate. So when you grate something with this, you know exactly how much you've grated. So for example, you need one cup of cheese for something. You just grate it to that point, to the 1 cup point, or the 2 cup point. So when you're making recipes, you're not over grating things. Has a nice strong rubber handle. It's very sturdy. It doesn't flex or bend on you. Again, it's probably the best grater I've ever owned, and I highly recommend checking it out if you love to cook. It makes a great gift as well. So yeah, check out the Pro box grater, stainless steel box grater on Amazon.